So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to teach you how to remove your computer on a tablet mode. And as you can see on my screen, there is no any taskbar applications which are pinned at the taskbar. So I'm going to teach you how to remove. Simply do the following steps. Click the notification icon and turn off tablet mode. You can see you have removed your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment. Thank you.